Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with day number 28 of the ICAD series, Index Card a Day. You can use a 4x6 or 3x5, and we're doing it for 30 days. So today is day 28, even though it's 3 days behind posting my videos. But what I want to say is this has been a fun journey. Now again, ICADs or index cards a day are just basically to get you in your craft room. They're not about perfection. They're not about necessarily being beautiful. They can be just you exploring different mediums, different techniques, but it's doing something on the size of a 3x5 or 4x6. So it's just allowing you to express yourself and to be creative every single day, to do something in your craft room, to create some form of art every single day. It's any genre you want. It's not one particular style. But artists have been doing this for a long time, just a way to get them motivated, because sometimes people get, issues with mojo, creation block, and all that kind of stuff. But one of the things to help with that is to do prompts. So again, like I said, ours is a planner stamp, and so we have been pulling from my wonderful shaker box of a ton. I mean, like literally hundreds of different ideas. And we're using that. So planner stamp. So this is the stamp that I use, this LOL, and I did buy them for my planners. And I used her right there, and I cut her out, fussy cut her out, and I just colored it with my Spectrum Noir. So I'm going to use her. I am going to use this Happy Days paper collection, and I am just going to adhere this paper down to 4x6, 110 pound cardstock. Actually, I probably adhere it to another one. I usually do a couple 110. And actually, this one is a 65 pound one, so I definitely need to add another one on the back of that one. So I grabbed the wrong piece, but that's okay. So, alright. What I'm going to do with this is I am going to add her. Well, I think I add some washi first. I'm going to use this Agenda 52. And I picked up a couple stickers and stuff in here that I wanted to add, just to add some more to it. I think I'm going to add this. It's too long, but that's okay. I'm going to make it work. Let's see. I'm going to cut it. I'm just making stuff up as I go. This is a piece of washi. Alright. Says, when I'm afraid, I walk my trust in you. And I am going to put her right here. And again, this is no rhyme or reason. I like the background of a scene because it's going to go with my quote that I'm going to put up here. And I like this image, and I think she's fierce. When you get your back turned to something, you're not afraid, in my opinion. If you can turn your back to something, you're like, yeah, please. So that's her right there. And then I'm going to add a couple more stickers. And we will be done. And again, like I said, this is just for you to play along. It's not, doesn't have to be perfect. Don't have to do something, so different every single day. But it's just to get you to be in your craft room and creating. And that's why we did the prompts, so that we will all be on similar pages as far as what we created. But the way we expressed it, we did it all totally different, every single one of us, and I loved it. They inspired me. They made some wonderful stuff. Okay. And then I am going to go around here just a little bit. And I don't want to use my big, I don't have my skinny big. My skinny, not a skinny big, my skinny, my, what pen am I talking about? My big, my Faber-Castell, but my narrow one. I just have my big pen. So I'm just tracing around here just to give a little bit of a shadow. And I don't have a charcoal pen right now, which I did, because then I can do a little bit of water on it. I mean, I still could, but that's a Dollar Tree pencil. Not the Dollar Tree pencils don't work. Alrighty. See, I don't have the best hand for tracing. It's weird because I love the fussy cut, but I cannot trace to save my life. And yet I still do it. So anyway, I'm going to trace this out and I'll be right back. Alright, so I kind of traced around. I made it a little wonky because that's what I wanted to do. And I'm just going to go around the edges with just a little bit of some cracked pistachio stress oxide. And I think on this one, we'll be done. And I wanted this plain and simple, but I knew exactly what I wanted to say. It says, in the storm I will praise him. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. And that's Joshua, one of my favorite ones, on 24:15. It says, when I'm afraid, I put my trust in you. So that is my little scene, my little planner stamp and stickers, although the stamp was the focal point for this particular prompt. And anyway, so check that out on my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1, and check them all out. And I will do a flip through at the end once we finish with day 30. So if you want to play along, or if you want the list, just let me know. But the hashtag is 757 ICAD challenge. And I would love to see your creation, so let me know if you did do some, made some. They don't have to be our prompts. It could have been anything you wanted. But if you're in your craft room for 30 days and you made something on index card every day, I'd love to see it. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.